Citroën Holidays, 2024, debuts as a new camper van alternative. Based on the Spacetourer, the manufacturer wants to compete with the California, the Nugget or the Marco Polo in the future. In August 2023, Citroën announced that in future it would not only be involved in the camping business as a supplier of body shells and chassis for third-party providers, but would also become active in the van life sector itself. And having already presented a model with retro charm, the manufacturer is now showing the new Citroën Holidays, which is based on the likewise new Spacetourer. Public premiere is on January 13, 2024 at the CMT in Stuttgart. The Ford Nugget, VW California, and Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo will therefore have company. The Holidays is 4.98 meters long and will therefore have an N1 classification. The height of 1.99 meters should allow access to most parking spaces. The kitchenette and toilet are removable, making the Holidays a vehicle that is fully suitable for everyday use and can transport 4 people and numerous items. The retractable roof is available in body color. It makes it possible to stand up in the interior and thus offers space for up to 2 sleeping berths, 1.00 by 1.95 meters. The bench in the second row can be moved and folded down to create an additional sleeping area for 2 people measuring 1.00 meters wide and 1.90 meters long. This bench is also removable. Those sleeping in the lower area can enjoy the opening rear window and blinds on the windscreen and side windows. The raised roof also has integrated blinds and windows to control ventilation and brightness. The Citroën kitchen is equipped with a sink and 2 gas burners, a 16-liter refrigerator and a retractable table. The front seats can be swiveled. The 2 side sliding doors, optionally also electric, enable cooking and eating outside, with the retractable table being positioned behind the kitchen. Side rails on each side allow the integration of a roller awning, as an accessory. The kitchen unit is also removable. The Citroën Holidays also has numerous storage compartments. It has a 10-liter tank for storing clean water and 10 liters